Okay, so we've got the TVR installed. This is the digital version from Tado. Let's turn it on, see how it goes. So there's a little digital screen in front telling you the temperature. We'll turn it all the way up, and hopefully in a second you'll be able to hear the motor go. Takes a few seconds usually. Wait for it. I think you might have just missed it there. There it went. And I can now hear the hot water going through the radiator. Just check here. Yep, can definitely hear the hot water. Really simple, really effective. Nice touch having a little screen so you can just check what the temperature is. And also, not to forget, you don't have to adjust it here. You can also adjust it through the app, and it will be indicated on here as well. The app's the main way you control it, through the sort of central control. But it's nice to be able to have a bit of local control in the room as well.